Hey guys, in this tutorial we are going to be painting this little girl robot, and the first thing I'm going to do is paint the robot's body a manatee gray. We're about to run through several different colors, so I'll try to say them quickly. This color is Peacock, this color is Pure Ocean, and the next color Dixie Belle Blue. Now I'm coming in with some pink called Peony. Paint her little bow and her hands. And then this little center dot of the radar on her midsection. And now I'm painting these little circles on her, a color called Plum Crazy. Her eyes I'm now filling in with black, and then the pupils with white. All of the colors I'm using today are Dixie Belle paint colors, which can be purchased on our website at buildacross.com. Now we're going to begin to fill in all of the etched lines of the little robot, and I'm doing that with a long detailed paintbrush and some slightly watered down black paint. So I'm just filling in the lines that are already there. Once we get done with that, we're going to go beyond the lines. This is where I like to add accents and details that were not etched into the product for me. So the first accents I'm going to add are with my detailed paintbrush and the color white. It's called Cotton. And I'm just going around kind of following the lines of the robot already and giving her a few highlights. This really helps brighten her up and give her a little bit more dimension. This robot can be purchased at our website at buildacross.com in our shape section in a category called Paint by Line. Give her some little details on her bow. Some little more around her face. She's really coming together and looking super cute. So again, to go through the colors I used today: Manatee Gray, Peacock, Pure Ocean, Dixie Belle Blue, Peony, Plum Crazy, Caviar, and Cotton. Thanks guys for watching. She is just about done and she turned out super cute. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please like and share, and I will see you next time.